Here I have Samsung Galaxy M32, and today I'm going to show you how to enable battery percentage on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to enter battery and device care, then go to the battery, then go to the more battery settings, and here you have this option, show battery percentage. You can switch it here, and as you can see, now I can't see my battery percentage, now I can see it here next to the battery icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.